Yo guys, what's going on? Monday to 6 here, back with the 2004 Toyota Sequoia. And today we're going to be installing a set of these rain guards. Hope you guys enjoy. Here we are in the back of the Sequoia with our full set of rain guards. It's going to be a super simple install. Just going to need some alcohol, a couple microfiber towels, and we'll get ready to install it. Since we're going to go ahead and install these rain guards on the driver's side here, we're going to go ahead and we're going to clean everything up with some rubbing alcohol. Alright, got some rubbing alcohol on the microfiber towel here. Go ahead, just get everything clean. Just make sure everything's nice and clean, dirt free. You can see just how dirty it was on the outside. If you want to go ahead and clean it twice, you can, depending on how dirty it is. I'm going to go ahead and clean it a second time with the alcohol. Alright, went ahead and got some blue tape here. I placed the rain guard up here, made sure it was on the channel perfectly. What this is going to do, this is going to allow you to line it up here, because you're only going to get one shot when you put this on. A lot of times that's all you're going to get. Just line it up here. You just come here to this side, line it up just like that, and you know exactly where to stick the rain guard. Let's go ahead and peel the 3M tape off the back. Let's get ready to install it. Okay, once you have the rain guard in place, just go ahead and press down on it firmly. Make sure that 3M tape sticks. Look at that. Nice alignment. Just go ahead and press it on. Just like that. Alright. So we went ahead and got our blue tape lined up here. You can tell when you go ahead and install it, it's going to come all the way here. Then this side's going to drop down to about right there. Alright, let's do the same thing. Let's peel off the 3M tape and install this rain guard. Okay, once you got the rain guard in place, make sure you press down firmly on that 3M tape. It'll assure that this rain guard doesn't come flying off on you. Prep it with the alcohol. Alright, got this side installed. Let's go to the passenger side. Got the alcohol on the microfiber towel. Gonna go ahead, clean up everything on this where the rain guards are gonna go. Just make sure you clean this really well. Go ahead and clean it twice if you have to. Alright, same as the driver's side. Let's go ahead and put this up. Let's lay our tape down for the template. And go ahead and press firmly on that rain guard. Put the 3M tape on here. Alright, let's move to this back window here. Okay, we went ahead and laid down the blue tape, and we got the rear rain guard installed. Okay, we got the rain guards installed. It's really going to help out on those hot Florida days where it's almost 110 degrees. We're able to crack the windows to get some of that breeze, let out some of that heat from the interior of the Sequoia. And they look really good. Nice glossy color. Matches the rest of the paint in the tent. Here's the passenger side. And this is the non-in-channel rain guards. A little bit easier to install. Look really good. If you want to go ahead and purchase a set of these rain guards, there will be a link down in the description. And once again, thank you everybody. Monday to 6, out.